Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, back with another luxury home walkthrough. This is another vacation rental, and it comes in at $1.9 million. It has 3,870 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. It's on 3 floors, and it has a 2-car garage. I really like the design of the paneling and then the nice dark colored stone off to the side. As you walk in, you have a large open area. So first we have the kitchen off to the side, which is a very large space with plenty of seating there, and then a good-sized living room as well, since you'll have plenty of people together for the rental. As for the kitchen area, very wide open, beautiful layout here, nice big island, and I like how the countertops, the stone that they use there matches the top, and I really like the blue with gold cabinets. You have a nice little dining area there, bay window look to it, so here's another look. The floors were a very nice color to them as well, and coming into here we have some tile. And I really like the little texture. If you look at this, it's just like penny tiles but in a pattern, and it goes into the shower as well, and a nice tile selection there on the shower too. Counters were pretty basic, and same with the fixtures there. Going into a little bedroom here, so that bathroom would be shared by other guests in the home. It has a walkthrough on both sides, but a good sized bedroom down here on the main floor in case you don't want to go up the stairs. And on the flights of stairs, again with a bunch of wood, if you're going up and down several floors, kind of gets to your feet after a while, so you might want to be wearing shoes inside the home. And so beautiful views out of the front. They're still developing a lot of this area. So upstairs you have a large living area to gather, and a nice double stacker washer and dryer. So 2 washers, 2 dryers, and a little cabinet there. So you also have an overlook here, so just make sure your kids don't fall off of that. And off to the side here, that's where the TV would be, and this same area, just a different view of it from here. So going off of the side here, we have a shower, and I really liked the penny tile that they used in there, and a very small vanity as we're looking at this one. So you have a bedroom that walks through from the other side, so same as downstairs, they carried that theme of a good way to share a bathroom. In for the bunk area, you have plenty of sleeping here with 6 different beds. The ones on the bottom are larger, so you could probably sleep more than one on the bottom at least. And going into the bathroom, another somewhat basic counters. I like the gray color that they used for the cabinets. The tile work was good on the floor, and nice backsplash. Okay, so here's another look leaving this playroom. And then off to the side we have another large bedroom. This would be, for a teenager or perhaps a parent. You can see Top Golf from here, so you're nearby a lot of the fun amenities as well. And the bathroom in here was pretty normal looking, and again, really nice tile in the shower. I like that penny tile, feels good when you walk on it. Over here we have a TV that's been put up on the side, just a small one, and then more bunk area over here, so 2 more beds, bunk beds, and it has the fun lighting on the inside for reading or hanging out before it's bedtime. You'll notice how these are set up. There's not a lot of room on the top bunk as far as height goes. Okay, bathroom right next door to this as well, dual vanity sinks, dual mirrors, and laid out very nice. And this time you get a bathtub over here with some fun backsplash for that too. Okay, we'll go up to the 3rd floor. Again, more hardwood stairs. I think it's just set up for more durability and high traffic, being a rental, but it'll kind of hurt your feet a little bit. And I have these in my home that are very nice, little stair lights. You tap on them and they come on, and they'll come on their own at night when it gets dark. Upstairs you have a little overlook of the stairs here, a little railing, some nice lighting fixtures here, and little air hockey tables, what they put in the middle, and some nice windows looking out the back. I really like how they have these floating shelves here. That was a nice look to it, and a little wet bar, a refrigerator, and a sink, so that's fun for a bunch of snacks, and plenty of patio space. I did notice that these tiles were pretty loose, so as you walked on them they kind of squeaked and moved around a little bit, but it's a nice way to coat the flooring, I guess. But beautiful views out here. You have a lot of other developing units that are being built, so pretty soon the view will look a lot better. You have a hot tub up here, which I haven't seen with. It's kind of a nightmare to film from the third floor, but anyway, nice bedroom up here as well with big windows. I like the 90-degree windows coming off the wall there, and this is a regular bathroom with a shower. Nice tile work there. I like the little built-in that they did for your soap, and again, the floor tiles are really nice. So as you can see with some of these door removes, you have the double access for the bathroom again, same thing that they were carrying. That way you can share the bathroom from whoever's staying in that room and the others who are upstairs. So that's nice. You don't have to wait for a bathroom with so many bathrooms in the home. And I really loved the blue color on this one. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have some other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.